There's a certain scent in the air when summer is just beginning, a promise of warm, slow, and golden days. It's a sweet scent of elderflowers that reminds me that summer is near. These tiny blossoms greet me everywhere here in Forgotten Valley, and it makes me incredibly happy to see my favorite trees covered with these clusters of tiny cute flowers. It has become a tradition or yearly ritual for me to try and capture the magic of early summer by collecting a basket full of elderflowers and to cook them into a sweet and delicious syrup. I like to collect the flowers in the morning before the sun gets too high, and when I feel like I've gathered enough, I take them home and rinse them in water just for a little while, just to be sure, and then I sit them on a clean towel and let them dry outside, mostly because I want to give the bugs and little critters some time to escape. The first thing to do then is, of course, sifting out all the plant parts, because the flavor and the goodness and the health benefits have all been absorbed into the water already, so that's all we need to make the syrup.
I just hope that you're happy, whatever that means, whatever that means. And Maggie, I know that you're mad at me.
Then to make a syrup, we obviously need a lot of sugar, but it also has a purpose. The high amount of sugar not only makes the syrup sweet and delicious, but also helps preserving all the goodness that we extracted from the elderflower for way longer. Therefore, it prevents our syrup from spoiling as easily or as fastly and gives it a way longer shelf life, so that we can store our syrup a few months, maybe even up to a year, if you don't use it up earlier. So I bring the mixture to a boil until all of the sugar is dissolved. I then let the syrup boil or simmer just for a little bit longer, and then it's already finished and you can bottle it up into sterilized bottles. The sterilization is really important, otherwise the syrup will spoil a lot quicker, and after all the work we put into this, I think we want to prevent that. So be sure to sterilize your bottles.
have gone the way of flowers wilted in the cold. Crashing snow and ice will go and leave me stronger than the old. Curl up being helpless, needing shelter from the storm. The waves are building higher now, but we're creating something more. And I want you, you want the truth, fleeting like everything we do. And I've always known you would go, and I'd be on my own. The trees around us bend and break, but we stay where we are, waited out as lovers do, by fusing our heart. It's crashing at our walls, and levees can't hold nothing back. We built them strong, but stronger still. It's freedom from the wrath. And I want you, you want the truth, fleeting like everything we do. And I've always known you would go, and I'd be on my own. My name in my dream, aware of where I should be. There's nothing I can do that should make it up to you. I know that I'm still gonna try, 'cause I've seen it when we had the chance to fly. When the sun comes out again in this city made of rain, rays of light pass through the clouds, made it through the hurricane. The worst of it has passed us now, new beginnings sure to show.
I just wanna feel purpose in the moment. I find myself alone again. My brothers break me down so I can be filled back up. I want so badly to see the truth. I trace it back to the day I met you. Could you let it go? What you've always known. Cut the weight now, or you'll sink until you drown. Oh, I just wanna feel purpose in the moment. I find myself alone again. My brothers break me down so I can be filled back up. I want so badly to see the truth. I trace it back to the day I met you. Could you let it go? What you've always known. Cut the weight now, or you'll sink until you drown.
Look at the roses! If this isn't the perfect spot to eat this cake, I don't know what is. Believe how good this turned out. This is so delicious. I mean, I knew that it would be delicious, or I assumed it'd be delicious because I already made a strawberry and elderflower jelly, and that is such a superior flavor combination. So if you haven't tried something flavored with strawberry and elderflower, I highly recommend you try it. It turned out so good. This is the flavor of early summer. The freshness and the slightly sour taste of the strawberry pairs so well with the elderflower flavored cake and cream. Making elderflower syrup was a little work, but it was totally worth it. Totally worth it. I think this might be my new favorite cake flavor. Especially, or at least in this time of year. Summer has arrived and I can't wait to explore more of its flavors and scents and scenery and the whole vibe. So I hope you'll be there for the next video as well. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice start of summer. For me, the summer solstice is right around the corner. Maybe I will do a vlog then too. Happy summer season!